Our community knows how to rally together in a time of need, and that's what a group of students are doing. A class at Ruch Outdoor Community School are running a fundraiser this week for those affected by the fires in Southern California. Students have raised more than $700 with a goal to hit $902.72, which, if you're wondering why so specific, that's the area code for Palisades. The cash donations help support World Central Kitchen, which have been providing meals to impacted residents and firefighters in California. Not only will firefighters benefit, but the classes with the most donations will earn a pizza party.